marami ang dahilan na ibinibigay for and against the election. Isa sa mga dahilan ay naglipa na ang ayuda sa eleksyon na ito in the form of many things. Many things. Ito na yung totoong ayuda ng mga isinisisi sa iyo noon na kasi kasagsagan ng eleksyon, distribution ng AX, tupad, at kung ano-ano pa. I mean, I don't know the others. Ano ba talagang ayuda? In other words,
so let me start out by something I said in my daily vlog sa CIA 365. No? Na okay to use, not okay to abuse. Diba? So like friendship, Kuya Boy.
right.
Kaya mo nga friend gamitin mo naman ako. Diba? Pero wag mo ako i-abuse. Diba? So, halimbawa, pupunta kang Hong Kong or pupunta kang Kuwait or pupunta kang Saudi, may hinahanap kang contact, naging DFA secretary ako. Alan, baka kilala mo, i-refer mo ako. Use yun, okay. Di ba? Pero for example, nahuli ka sa traffic, kaibigan ko senator, abuse yun. Di ba? Okay. So, remember what was the use of ayuda? Nag-lockdown tayo. Karamihan ng ating kababayan, kung may sweldo man, hindi pa sapat. At marami din, isang kahig, isang tuka. We had the longest lockdown in of all the countries. So, ayuda came into play. So, we passed Bayanihan 1. We gave 10,000. Hindi lang nag-stick yung 10,000 noon kasi dalawang gives ng 5,000.
Doon nang galing yung ayuda
Doon
na
nang
yun.
galing. And I was speaker noon and I was one of the authors of that. So, we actually delivered 10,000 during the pandemic. Okay. 2021, hindi na ako speaker. Diba? And we were going into the 2022 budget. And sa pag-iikot ko, ano sinasabi? May isang pamilya, sa loob sila ng jeep na nakatira, yung jeep na nila. They had to give up the house they were renting. They can't give up the jeep because wala silang kikitain. So they gave up their home, natutulog sila sa gabi sa jeep, tumandar. Ang sabi sa akin ng jeepney driver, masipag naman kami. Tinamaan lang kami ng pandemic. So I started going around talking to other people. Same thing. Then I asked them, what would help you? Sir, yung binigay na 5,000. So sabi ko, sige, why not one more time? 10,000. Walang palakasan to kasi dadaan mo sa LGU, bibigay lahat. I brought it up nung sa election, ginawa pang commercial, as a program. Same na, may senador na nangako ng tablet, ng iPad, ng computer, may senador na nangako ng free education as Senator Bang nga said, tatay nun. He was advocating that, di ba? Okay. So, and I knew there's money. Pero hindi ko napansin kasi yung time na hindi ako speaker, 21, 22, lumolobo na pala yung ayuda. That's why nga, nung tumakbo akong senador, galing pa ako sa pagiging speaker noon, 2 years pa, nagulat ako, yung mga reelectionista, meron na palang AX, lumalaki na pala yun. Okay. So, by 2023, 24, 25, naging parang entitlement na sa iba. But you had to go through someone to get it. That's why I continue to push for 10,000. Bakit? You don't have to apply. You'll give all the families. Yes, baka may isugal or may manginginom. But sa thinking ko, if you give it per family, then bahal na yung nanay o anak or asawa. But if you pass through politicians, diba? And I said that on the record. Pero at that time, everyone's still enjoying the ayuda. So by the time na dumating tong election na to, na left and right, you have many na, and to be fair to some, like halimbawa Mayor Magalong, he's been saying that, di ba? Senator Ping siguro tahimik lang ng konti after the 2022 election, but now he's saying that, or he said it last year. But I've been saying that na kaya naman pala, except nga, inoperate din ako.